Shopify Designer and GemPages Expert. In this video, I will show you a one product Shopify store that I built completely using GemPage Builder without any extra theme customization. This is a main landing page section where I focus on simple and clean design, a bold product title, a strong call to action button, and trust building visual. Everything is a fully customized inside GemPage for a smooth and premium look. Here you can see the key feature and benefit, short conversion, short conversion focus, description, icon highlight, and professional layout that keep visitor attention. Buy now button, the use how to use section, and the real customer visual where design a build trust and help buyer understand the product quality. I also added comparison chart made directly gem page, showing how to showing how to this product perform better than other similar cream, followed by a simple brand story section. Finally, I created a FAQ layout and footer directly from GemPage element, keeping everything consistent uh, with the band color and tone. This is a fully responsive, conversion optimized, and product store. One product Shopify store built 100% inside GemPage. If you want a high converting one product store like this build entry with gem page, feel free to contact me. I will design a clean professional store that look great and sells even better. Thanks for watching.